So if we're trying to locate a ledger line that is below the stave, in case you've not seen the other videos that I did on how to read music on the bass clef, check the description below because this is going to be a continuation of those videos. All right, let's jump right into it. This is what we'll need to do. So let's come back to the same alphabets that we have. So which is a G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That's the lines and spaces for the bass clef. So all we simply need to do is use the same principle, but in this case we're doing it in the reverse manner. So it will be line, space, line, space, line, space, line. So if we have G here, then we have to ask ourselves, what is at the back of G? Which is F. So come back down, F to this space. Then from this space, we're coming to this line. So ask ourselves, at the back of F, what do we have? Is E. So this line will be E. Then at the back of E, we ask ourselves, what do we have? Is D. So then this space will be D. Then ask ourselves, what is at the back of D? We have C. So take note, we're coming from this space. So it's going to be this line, which is C. Then at the back of C, what do we have? Is B. And take note, after C, this space is going to be B because we're coming down line, space, take note. So at the back of B, what do we have? We have A. So coming down, so it will be here. So basically, this note is A. So that's it. I also have a trick that you can use to locate ledger lines or read ledger lines faster. So if you want to see that on the next video, type that in the comments. All right, if you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all. All right, and make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.